Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to go through my plays on Fantom, see what's going on with the portfolio, see if I have any more income that has been coming on in. Let's have a look. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to, it's going to be on Spirit Swap, in it. That's the first one we're doing. Here I am on Spirit Swap, my favorite place on Fantom. As a side note as well, I've been helping my parents kind of get online, get into DeFi. As that, my dad's kind of interested in it. He's that way inclined, but gee whiz, to get them started is hard work, guys. We are so early. When the world's using DeFi, it won't be like what it is today. I believe it's going to be so much more streamlined. It's so much hard work for like older people to get their head around it. Probably even for, I could see my sister's eyes like glaze over as well when I was talking about it. So we are so early. We're all gonna make it. Let's go. Let's get into it. So anyway, we're on inSPIRIT because this is where all the cool things happen on Spirit Swap. Yo, my internet's looking great today, isn't it? Jeez, yeah. So I still haven't taken this out, the money. As you can see, as of last week's APR, that's 41%, which is pretty nice. I'm happy with that. I've got just about over like 500 tokens. I maybe got like $50-$60 worth last week for my investment. I got, so I'm pretty happy with that. I still haven't pulled anything out from. I've had 3 weeks worth of drops now. Still haven't pulled anything out. I'm happy just to let it sit there for a bit, and yeah. I know there's going to be some like major like improvements to Spirit Swap coming, like next year by January. So probably by that time I'll be pulling it out and then thinking what I'm going to do with it. But yeah, I'm just accumulating at the moment. One thing that they've been working on is these boosted farms where we can now vote, and we can vote to allocate the spirit rewards, where the spirit rewards will go to. As you can see, most of it or half of it is on the Spirit Fantom. Yeah, it just shows you 20% is on Liquid Driver Fantom. So this is cool. This is a bit like how like Curve works on Ethereum. And this is why I'm so bullish on this like project, is that it's implementing successful tokenomics from other protocols to improve the ecosystem. And I think this is really one of the first decentralized exchanges other than Curve and that whole side to do it. So that's why I'm on it. So have I voted this week? It says I've already voted, I think. Yeah, I think I've already voted, so it's all right. I vote for the Ethereum Fantom, and that's because if we come on to here, go on to Fantom, if we go to Liquid Driver, you'll see that that's where nice new interface. This is where all the fun happens, isn't it? So on Liquid Driver, the reason why I'm voting for the Ethereum Fantom is because I'm over here getting 74% on Ethereum and Fantom, and I've got 60 liquid, which is totaling about just almost 600. So I'm pretty chuffed there, actually. I think it might be time to like pull it out and sell, just for some monies. But don't quote me on that. Don't copy me. You gotta do your own thing. That's just one option, isn't it? I'm pretty bullish on Fantom and Ethereum, actually. So yeah, whatever. So this is my play. This is the play. So that's producing me some income here. If I go to Liquid, Liquid, which is where you lock your liquid tokens up, you can see I've got this many tokens. I locked it on the 12th. No, I locked it on the 7th. I read this wrong in my last video. The 7th of December, I locked them up. and so far I've earned this amount of tokens, which I'm pretty happy with. I did a video a few days ago. It was like it was worth $380. It's probably worth now. It's probably worth more though now, but I won't get into exactly how much it is. Oh, here's an interesting one, because you see my inSPIRIT and you see my spirit, similar amount. Maybe if I was super clever, here's an option that maybe I could do. Come on, internet, we don't want to wait for you all day. inSPIRIT. If I put in my inSPIRIT and spirit as an LP, 63%, and that I get paid in spirit for that. That's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Yeah, I mean, that's an option to do in my spirit rather than just like leaving it elsewhere or selling it. Yeah, I think that's it really. That's my little overview of my spirit and liquid driver play for this week. I'm pretty happy with this out of all of the things I'm doing. I would recommend you guys do some research and read the documentation from both apps. And yeah, this hopefully isn't my last video of the new year, but yeah, let's go. Have a great day. See you later.